This horse is extremely uncomfortable and has a very hard time bearing weight. You see his front, he is standing. I talk about it all the time, how this heel gets so long today. So you can usually tell, and this isn't a hard set rule, there's a bone underneath the hoof capsule called the coffin bone. And this is this bone right here. I'm gonna play this as safe as I can. I am going to take a reciprocating saw and chop off all this excess growth because this would take a long time to do with nippers. I'll probably cut it off somewhere right there. And then we're gonna start. We have kind of the opposite problem where the coffin bone isn't pointing up or down, but hard to get right when they're twisted, when they have bad medial lateral imbalance and a lot of distortion. Flat weight bearing surface for these hind feet. But that's just a little bit of anatomy before it, and try to get a flat surface for this horse to stand on. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and start cutting. This is a brand new blade, so you are gonna see red paint. It's not gonna be blood, the inside of the hoof wall. Okay, so on the horse's anatomy, or that's not blood vessels, just paint. So I don't want anybody worrying that we just chopped them off into the... Okay. They still have a ways to go though. Just because hoof changes color when you're trimming doesn't necessarily mean that you're getting closer. But I bet if I trimmed right through that, it'd probably just go away. See, it's already starting to go away. I'm breathing kind of hard because holding these to the frog and about 40% in front of it. I still have a ways to go though on these heels, and clean up these commissures a little bit. Central sulcus. Just trying to this distortion just traps so much garbage, manure, and see, I've got a little bit of blood on my tools on that front foot. And hens that are rolled under and flared out and really neglected like this. I'm trying to get the frog in the middle of the foot and have equal proportions on each side. So this frog is really deformed. Like I said, makes it tough to figure out. Hey, getting closer to that frog. Stuck in my nippers. There you go. got him pretty close. It will take him a little bit of time to adjust